Let's try out a Gentoo from 2005. Now, firing up the live CD, the first thing you're going to notice is, wow, look at that boot up process. And that puts that straight into the console, ready to work. So let's have a quick look at what we're running here. I've got 8 threads to play with. I'm thought to make this a little interesting, I'm going to try and get this to run with the full 32 threads of the CPU and 60 gigs of RAM. And then we can try and time it. So let's fire up links. And let's see what the install process was like back in 2005, because I can't remember at all. So as we can see on there, it says where to get the where to find the handbook. It's actually included directly on the CD for us, so that's handy. Right, we'll start with discs. I was just explaining F disk. I don't know if that's still the same today, but 32 megabytes only needed the boot drive. Christ. Compare that with today where we need a gig. And I mean, realistically, we probably could get away with 512, but it is quite tight using 512. Let's fire up CF disk anyway and get that working. We'll do a 32 meg for boot. No point doing swap. We've got 3 gig. We'll just do the other one and edit the handbook to anything we see that says free. We'll change it to it. Let's sort out the file systems. Let's spell it wrong once, twice, third time the charm. Why is that not working? Full set of XC2, no. Oh, got it wrong 3 times. Alright, 4th time's the charm. Let's try and do it on the right drive this time. There we go. So, what's different about these is the stages are actually on the CD ready for us. So let's grab those. I'm going to use the Pentium 4 stage. It'll be the closest for this virtual machine. So obviously it's not going to know anything about a Ryzen CPU. And oh yeah, back in the day when TAR didn't auto-detect what we use. Files on it. So, oh, that's really nice, that is. Let's char root in. Oh, you only need to use proc on this. No dev. Huh. Neat. Huh. Neat. And let's install our kernels. .611. Oh, when kernels were good. Let's get that all set up now. We've done a 2.6 kernel many a time on this channel, so let's just zoom past that. But, that didn't take long at all to install, did it? Okay, here we go. I tried doing make install and it wouldn't work, so you have to manually copy over the kernel. What the? Linux was strange back in the day. We get our system tools installed. We're just going to use a basic system logger, cron tab, and Riser FS tools. And I've messed up that. Oh, what's going on here? Why is that not booting? I bet you it doesn't support 32 threads, does it? Let's try to save on it, seeing if it boots. Right, here we go. I've disabled the 30 threads now. And yeah, that was the issue. So it looks like I found a bug. Who do I report that a 14 to 15 year old kernel didn't support 32 threads? Let me know in the comments please. But hey, we're in. And yeah. There we go, there is the process of installing Gentoo in 2005, and it was a little rough, I've got to admit. Hats off to the current Ambit team that have fixed up all these issues. I did want to do an old install of Gentoo using a modern processor just to see how quick it would be. But it looks like that's not going to work with this one, with this version of 2005. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shelf this idea and we're going to try it with a 2007-2008 one instead later on. But yeah, I think for now that's us done, because as I could fix all these issues, I don't know, it's not going to be the challenge that I wanted, so it's not going to be worth it. So thank you once again for watching this one, and also for your comments on the last video. How about this time you tell me about your first install of Gentoo? Let me know when you switched over and how you found it. But as always, keep compiling. So it's clear I have a Gentoo addiction. Why not help enable me to get new hardware, or just cope with the stresses with vodka like these wonderful people you see before you? Prices only start at $1, and every little bit helps me. Thank you. Some upcoming ideas I have are shown on the screen now, but obviously it's up to you.